Imagine going into a shop where instead of buying products, you're buying specialized AI workers. A social media manager, a market researcher, and a customer service agent. Well, that shop exists, and it's wild. We're living through the birth of the AI marketplace, and honestly, it's going to change everything about how businesses work. Platforms like HubSpot's Breeze Studio are creating ecosystems where you can deploy ready-made AI agents or build your own. It's like the App Store, but for AI capabilities. Need someone to manage your social media? There's an agent for that. Do you want someone to analyze your sales calls? Sorted. Need a researcher who can dive deep into industry trends? You get the picture. The businesses that are going to dominate aren't just using these marketplaces. They're building their own AI ecosystems. They're creating competitive advantages by combining multiple AI agents that work together seamlessly. I'm seeing companies deploy entire AI teams, a prospecting agent that finds hot leads, a research agent that gathers intel on those prospects, a content agent that creates personalized outreach, and a follow-up agent that nurtures the relationship. All working 24/7, all getting smarter with every interaction. The barrier to entry is dropping fast. What used to require a team of developers and months of work can now be deployed in hours. Your competitors aren't just hiring more people anymore. They're building AI teams that never sleep, never call in sick, and get better every day. The AI marketplace is exploding right now, and the early adopters are getting massive advantages. Don't wait until your competitors have already built their AI dream teams. Start exploring what's possible now. What would your ideal AI ecosystem look like? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want to stay ahead of these trends, hit subscribe. The future of business is being built right now. Happy HubSpotting.